शिवास्पन्दितं नौमि गौराङ्गप्रियपार्षदम् यस्य कृपालवेनापि श्री गौरांग जयतीरती पंचतत्वादमुखं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताक्षं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम् नमस्ते तुहलग्राम नमस्ते मुसलाउधो नमस्ते रेवतीकांत नमस्ते भक्तवत्सल नमस्ते बलिनाग श्रेष्ठ नमस्ते धरणीधरो प्रलम्बारे नमस्ते तु त्राहि मां कृष्ण पूर्वजा हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वृंदाई तुलसी देव्यै प्रियाय केशवस्य च विष्णु भक्ति पदे देवी सत्यवत्तयी नमो नमः भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद Raise your hand, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with me. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur, Grand Spiritual Master, Founder Acharya of all Gaudiya Math, His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, Great Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace, Paramahansa Kula Chudamani Thakur Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj, Seventh Goswami of Gaudiya Math, His Divine Grace, Satchidananda Sri Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Also I offered the same to the all appointed Acharya and pure devotee as well. Offer my due respect to you and all. So, today, first song, our Nakul Prabhu, means Malini's father, started. Prabhu tavo pada juge moro nivedana. This song he started. You know, this song, who wrote? Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote this. On the base of Lord Chaitanya's Sikshastaka, 4th sloka. Sikshastaka, 4th sloka. He says, Na dhanang na janang na sundaring kavitang jagadisha kamaye mama janamani janamanishari bhavatad bhakti rahita kitai. This is Tamil. This is the Sanskrit text written by Lord Chaitanya himself. Lord Chaitanya wrote only 8 sloka. The number 4th sloka is like this. Na dhanang na janang na sundaring kavitang jagadisha kamai. Na dhanang, O Lord, I don't want any wealth. Do you want any wealth? Wealth. Little bit. But he doesn't know. Ajay. He told me that he make big house, but I want only just small place to stay. And his wife Anjali also saying the same thing. That means wealth is not bad. Bad is our attachment. An attachment with wealth. Na dhanang, na janang. I don't want any popularity. Do you want a popularity? Celebrity? And then he says, Na shandaring kavitang jagadisha kamaye. So what I want? I want mamo janmani janmanishari. Life after life after life I want to serve you. I want devotion to serve you. Devotion means pure loving, pure love. Serve with love. That is described by Lord Chaitanya. Who is Lord Chaitanya? If someone asking you, who is Lord Chaitanya, what do you say? Lord Chaitanya is Krishna himself. Which Krishna? Vrindavan Krishna. Is there any difference Vrindavan when Krishna moved to Mathura? When Krishna moved to Dwaraka, is there any differences? Same Krishna, right? But there is difference. When Krishna moved to Mathura, we say Vasudev Krishna. Means Vishnu. When Krishna moved to Dwaraka, he is also Vasudev Krishna. Not the Madhurjamay Krishna, only playing flute, only Vrindavan. Krishna never played flute there. Krishna maintaining entire universe from Vrindavan through playing flute. Do you know that? Pratham randhere gane bhangaye brahmaradhan. Where Krishna's flute have 8 notes. When tune coming from the first note of Krishna's flute, it is hitting the ear of Brahma. He giving instruction, hey Brahma, create living beings. Aham evashamevagri nanyajjad sadasatparham Pashvadahang jadechyo jovashishyati shashyam Rite arthang jat pratyeta na pratyeta chatmani tadveddat manomayang jatha bhasho jatha tamaha jatha mahanti bhutani bhuteshu charva chashmano pravishtanna pravishtani tata teshu nate vashyam etavadeva jiggasang tatta jiggasanadman annamayo vatirikabhin jatsa sarvatra sarvada. This instruction Supreme Lord gave to the Brahma. I am Brahma, please listen what I am going to tell you. Before creation, I was exist. First text, aham eva shame, aham, 3 times aham, means before creation of this universe, I was exist. At present, I am exist. After devastation, I will be exist. Aham eva shame bagre nannajat sadasatparam pasyadahang jadachyo jo vashishyate sasyam. 3 times aham in one text. Rite arthang jat pratyeta na pratyeta chatmani. Hey Brahma, I am in the Maya, but Maya not able to touch me. I beyond of the Maya. They very significant, you know. This instruction Lord giving. And then Lord explained to Brahma, living being coming from me, they have to coming back to me. There is no other any destination. Yatha mahanti bhutani bhutesu charva chashmano pravishtanna pravishtani tatha teshu nate vashyam. So these are the instruction. Brahma. Just first note, you know. Tune coming from the first note of Krishna's flute hitting the ear of Brahma. Brahma become scared. But happily scared, you know. Oh, where can I find this such beautiful, sweet tune? The Lord is there. Look, Krishna's flute now. And then second note, tune coming from second note of Krishna's flute, telling what? It is Ditya Randhe Jamuna Ujay. Jamuna Devi flowing from Jamunotri to ocean, Sagar, right? But as soon as they come Vrindavan, Krishna playing flute, where? Sitting in the Banshivat. Second note, tune hitting to the ear of Jamuna. Jamuna Devi doesn't want to go, but she have to go. Ujaya means waves. 2 steps ahead, 1 step behind. Like after wedding, most of the women, I don't know, all or not, most of the girls, they don't want to go to Sasural, means happily. Right? This is true or not? They want to stay in the father home. Stay with parents. But they have to go to Sasural, means in-laws' house. So they don't want to, but they're 2 steps ahead, 1 step behind. Same way. Jamuna Devi also. Ditya Randhe Jamuna Ujan. Ditya Randher Shure. No. Ditya Randher তৃতীয় রন্ধে পবনের গতি হত হয় পবনদেব বায়ুদেব is flowing smoothly. As soon as third note, tune coming from the third note of Krishna's flute, Pavandev doesn't want to go. You can see the Vrindavan, there is a place named Dhir Swami. Dhir Swami means wind becomes slow. Swamir means wind, air, slow motion. Dhir Swami. Then Bangshivar, Dhir Swami, just side by side. চতুর্থ রন্দের সুরে আপনেশে ধেনু ফিরে তৃণমুখে ঊর্ধ্ব পিচ্ছে ধায়. Fourth note, tune coming from the 4th note of Krishna's flute. It is hitting the ear of cows. So cows out of bliss to meet with Krishna, putting their tail top of the body, above the body. And then whatever grasses they are eating in the forest, they are keeping in the jawbone, they don't want to chewing, rushing towards Krishna. চতুর্থরন্দের সুরে আপনে সে ধেনু ফিরে তৃণমুখে ঊর্ধ্ব পিচ্ছেদায়. Trina means grass. Mukha means keeping the grass in the jawbone. Urdhva picha means putting tail above of the body and rushing towards Krishna. In that way, Krishna managing 900,000 cows. Take all of them for cow herding and back all of them to Nanda Maharaj Goshala. Is it possible for you to maintain 9 cows? You become crazy, right? And Panchavandhere Gane Baje Brojo Narir Prane Elo Thelo Pagolini Pray. Tune coming from the 4th note of Krishna's flute. It is hitting the ear of Brajonari, Brajogopis. All the gopis become crazy. Elo Thelo Pagolini Pray. Pagol means crazy. Why? They want to meet with Krishna, but their husband giving obstacles. No, you cannot meet with Krishna, this black boy, naughty black boy. So Radharani wanted to meet with Krishna, but Jotila Kutila, Durmukh, which her actual brother-in-law, husband, Ayan Ghosh. So all they gave her obstacles. No, you cannot go. So our Narottam Das Thakur, one of our great teacher, he wrote a very nice song. He dehe nagara baro shuna he murli dharo নিবেদন করি তু আপায় নিবেদন করি তু আপায়. See the meaning? O Lord of this town. Who is the Lord of the town? He dehe nagara baro. Nagar means town. Baro means Lord. The Lord of the town. Who is this? Muralidhara. Who is Muralidhar? Krishna. Shunna he listen Muralidhar. What listen? My nivedan, my request. What is the request? Jana charana nakharamani Jana chade re gathani Bhalo shobhe amaro galaয় Bhalo shobhe amaro galaয় Because now my condition is I am not able to meet with you. But if I become a diamond which is set up on your nail, diamond, nakharamani. Nak means nail, mani means diamond. Gem. Do you have that gem on your nail? Toenails? But before it was, toenails also decorated by diamond. So Radharani lament like this way. If this thing happened now, for me now, I can keep you on my neck. Bhalo shobe amar gala, and then I am able to associate with you. Then Shidamo Shuddamo Shangi যখন বনে যাও রঙ্গি তখন আমি দুয়ারে দাঁড়াই When you are going for cow herding with Sudam, Damba, Sudam, then I am looking, my eyes goes towards you. I am standing in front of the door because of my guardian giving me obstacles to meet with you. I am standing on the door and looking you. Just look. Then mone kori sange jai Guru janar bhoy pai Takhon ami duare darai. In mind I am thinking I will go to you, but I have so much fear with my guardian-in-laws, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. They are giving obstacles. In that way, lamenting. So all the Brajagopi become crazy to meet with Krishna, but they have obstacles. They are not able to meet with Krishna. Then, Shashta Randhi Sharoritu Ekotrete boy. Sixth note. A tune coming from the sixth note of Krishna's flute, sixth season. Here only fourth season, right? But India, sixth season, right? Sixth season. One is summer, then monsoon, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. All become together. Seventh tune coming from the seventh note of Krishna's flute. He says, Sila means stone was melting. Then you can see that Charan Pahad, if you go there, then you can see the Krishna's footprint is there. If you enter to Jagannath temple, then you can see there is a fingerprint of Lord Chaitanya. Behind Garuda, you can see 3 fingerprints still exist. If you go to Alalnath, when Lord Chaitanya paying obeisance to Alalnath, Albarnath means Vishnu. Because Lord Chaitanya used to go over there when Jagannath temple closed. Means after Snan Jatra, means this upcoming, the San Jatra means just like before chariot festival, the 15 days after bathing ceremony of Jagannath's bathing ceremony, then Anavasarkal means no darshan of Lord Jagannath. Jagannath manifesting past time, he got fever. He want to take rest. That period of time, Lord Chaitanya used to stay at Albadanath. And when he pay obeisance over there, then stone still, you can go, if you go there, then you can see Panda, they are talking, this is the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body sprint. You can see the stone melting. If you go to the that Jharikhanda, Lord Chaitanya is dancing ecstatic manner with Krishna's name. And then all the animals, Jharikhanda, animals, tiger, deer, everybody is together dancing. And their footprint, the stone was melting with Chaitanya's song. A static manner song. The stone still, you can see there is different animals' footprint there. Jharikhanda. Stone melting. Devotion such things. And eighth note, Gayad Radhe Tabonam. Tune coming from the eighth note of Krishna. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. That eighth note of Krishna, always chanting that. So this way, Krishna managing entire universe just through playing this flute. The same Krishna, when he moved to Mathura, he became Vasudev Krishna, fight with Vishnu. Vasudev Krishna always fighting. Vishnu is fighting. And Swayam Bhagavan Krishna always playing flute. But Vasudev Krishna killed Kamsa, Trinavarta, Aghasur, Bakasur, Putna. Therefore our Acharya, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Pad says, Krishna dare Vishnu kare asura sanghare. In the form of Krishna, Vishnu is killing all the demons. That is described by one of our Acharya in spiritual abode, which is Kasturi Manjari. Same Kasturi Manjari appeared in the form of Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Pad. And he composed this. Krishna dare Vishnu kare asura sanghare. In the form of Krishna, Vishnu is killing all the demons. Therefore, when Krishna moved from Vrindavan to Mathura, it became Vasudev Krishna, Vishnu. In Mathura, you can see that in order to take revenge, Kamsa killed by Krishna, Vasudev Krishna. Take revenge, the Kamsa's father-in-law, who is this? Jarasandha. He attacked Mathura just to kill Krishna. But Krishna, all the time, he killed all Jarasandha's soldiers and let Jarasandha alive. 17 times Jarasandha attacked Mathura. But still he was not able to understand Krishna is Supreme Lord. It is impossible to kill him. Krishna, Vishnu. Krishna, Vishnu. When Krishna is fighting, then Vishnu fighting. But Swayam Bhagavan Krishna always there. All the incarnation coming from Swayam Bhagavan Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna. Who says so? Brahma explained. Ramadi Murtirishu Kala Niyamena Tishtan. Do you know that slok? Ramadi Murtirishu Kala Niyamena Tishtan. Nana Vataram Makarado Bhubaneshu Kintu. Krishna Shayang Shama Bhavat Parama Pumanajo. Krishna Shayang Shama Bhavat Parama Pumanajo. Govindamadi Purushang Tamahanga Bhajami. This is written by Brahma. Who is Brahma? Fast living beings in this entire universe. He wrote, Ramadi means Ram, Baman, Matso, Kurmo, Baraho, Nishingha, all the Anshavatar, partial incarnation. All the Kalavatar, partial incarnation, Kalavatar. Gunavatar, all the incarnation. Source is Krishna. Shayang Bhagavan Krishna. So anyway, that Krishna is ultimate maintainer. Ultimate maintainer. Everybody listen. Whoever not listen from him, they are in the illusion, in the energy. Mayadevis. Whoever listen and going ahead with their life on the base of Krishna, instruction, they will be delivered. So, Prabhu to Lord Chaitanya says that na dhanang na janang na sundaring kabitang va jagadish kamaya mamo janmani janmanishare bhavatad bhakti rahit. Life after life after life, I would like to serve you. Give me this devotion to you, to serve you, loving manner to serve you. Same base, you can see the Jagannath Stockholm now. Kadachit kalindi tata vipina sangita tara. Do you know that? Do you hear that, Prabhu? Ajay? No. Kadachit kalindi tata vipina sangita taralam. Madhabhiri nari badana kamala shada modhupam. Ramashambar bambha marapati ganashcharichita padang. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Bhuje Shabba Benung Sidasa Sike Pichang Koti Tati. Dhukulanga Netranta Sahachara Katakshang Vidadhati. Sadashimad Brindavana Vasati Lila Parichayo. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Mahambhodestire Kanakaruchira Nila Shikare. Vashana Prasadanta Sahaja Vallabhadrena Bolina Shivadra Madhasta Sakala Shuro Shivama Sharada Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Kripa Para Baro Shajala Jala Daseni Ruchira Ramabani Rama Spuradamala Panker Homukha Surendara Radho Shutigana Shika Gita Charita Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Rathaudara Gachan Patimilita Bhudeba Patalai Tuti Padur Bhavanga Pati Padamupakarana Sadaya Daya Shindur Bandhu Sakala Jagatang Shindu Sadaya Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Parang Brahma Piro Kubale Dalat Pulla Nayana Nibasi Niladdo Nita Charanananta Siroshi Rashanandi Radha Sarasabapura Lingana Sukha Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Now what I'm going to say. Navai jache rajjanga nacha kanakamanik vibhavang na jache hangaramang sakala janakamang baravadang sada kale kale pramotapati na gita charita Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami. This is same, symmetric, the sloka. Na dhanang, na janang, and it's na dhanang, na dhanang, na janang, na sundaring kavitangava jagadisha kama. This text, meaning of the text, and that's what I just explain. Navaija chirajjang. I don't want any kingdom. Kanaka manikya vibhavang. I don't want any material wealth. Kanak. Material wealth. Kanak. Kamini. Manikya. Mane diamond. Gems. We are greedy for gems. If someone say, half kilometer away, there are gems coming from the bottom of the earth, everybody will go there. Even the Krishna coming there to giving darshan, all will go there. One gems cost, how much cost? Everybody leave. That is the nature, because all we have attachment. How long we have the attachment for the material wealth, we have to come back to this material earth. According to karma, we have to come back here. No one can protect us. Our karma will pulling down to us, down toward the destination. So, na dhanang, na janang, na sundaring kavitang va jagadisha kamaya, this text, and na vaija rajjang, na chakanaka manikya vibhavang, na jachahang rammang sakala janakammang balabadhung, sadakale kale pramutapati gita charita, jagannatha swami nayana patagami bhavatume. That is our prayer to Lord. Lord giving us everything. We have to use it according to utility. Not to keep greedy. I accumulate this, accumulate that. Everything I need. Then you have material attachment. What I need, if you use it, that is not for greediness. But when I accumulate more than I need, that is called attachment. So therefore, on the base of that, on the two texts, our Nakul Prabhu started the song. Prabhu tavo pado juge moro nivedana. Oh my Lord, this is my humble prayer to your lotus feet. These are Prabhu tavo pado juge. Oh my Lord, under your lotus feet, moro nivedana, my humble request. What is request? What request? Nahi magi deho sukho vidya dhana jana. I am not hankering to get materially comfortable life. I am not hankering for my physical comfort. We can say whatever say. Physical comfort. Deho sukha. I am not running behind to get academic. So if I say we should stop academic, we should not misuse the academic. After academic, we become a great officer, professor, and then we can officer. In India, what they are doing? Most of the officer, I think 99% officer, they are getting bribe. They are going to office for getting salary. When they do anything for the public, they are getting bribe. Then what is that? You can see their family, after generation, children, drunk, in home, so many problems. I have seen so many officers, they are Down syndrome baby, autism baby, autism baby, Down syndrome baby. What is, if it happen to your home, what is going to happen? Your life become finished. So this, I'm not talking about everyone, I'm talking 99%, they are misusing the academic. You know this, Lord Chaitanya asking this question to actually Raya Ramananda. Prabhu kahe vidya modhe kon vidya sar. Among the all study, what is the best study? Lord Chaitanya, by Krishna asking to Raya Ramananda, who is Raya Ramananda Vishaka Devi. When same Vishaka appear in this Kali Yuga in the form of Raya Ramananda, same Krishna appear in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That's why I'm using this term. Lord Krishna asking Vishaka Devi, tell me, what is the best study among the all study? Prabhu kahe, vidya modhe kon vidya sar, essence of all education, all study. He say, Rai kahe, Krishna bhakti bina vidya nahi yaar. There is no any other study you can compare with Krishna bhakti. Practicing Krishna consciousness, devotion, keeping loving attachment to serve Krishna. That is the best study. Why? Nowadays, if I ask her, she said, dentist is the best study. Okay? Accounts is best study. Right? That is our understanding. But dentist, accounts, software engineer, cyber cafe engineer, what is that? Cyber security engineer, all the giving money but not Krishna. But if you are cyber security engineer, but you have Krishna devotion, that means you are the best. Under any circumstances, we have to keep Krishna's service in the middle. Then everything appropriate. Like Ambarish Maharaj, he was emperor of entire world. But he used to serve Lord by his own hand. Just to think, if one such type of king appear and one sage appeared, what do you think about who is the greatest? Spiritually, who is greatest? One king or one sage? Prominent sage, Durvasa Rishi. Huh? Definitely our just ordinary understanding, sage is the spiritually elevated. But if you look the situation, Ambarish Maharaj, he was emperor of entire world. But he used to serve Krishna by his own hand. He used to observe 9 limbs of devotion. So one day he observed Ekadashi. Our Ekadashi means there is a Gauranga potato, right? What else? Gauranga potato. Buckwheat halwa. Buckwheat chila pakoda. Then whatever. Then chestnut powder halwa. Tapioca. So much. But you have to know that that Ambarish Maharaj, who is emperor of entire world, he keeping dry fast. No water, no any fruits, root, no Gauranga potato, no kuttu atta, buckwheat, chila, pakoda, puri. Completely dry fast, keeping dry fast. Next day, he invite lot of Brahmin and he is feeding them. Then he will observe, his target to observe the breakfast. He will do breakfast. But time of just before taking breakfast, when break his fast, all of a sudden appear Durvasa Rishi. Do you know the history? Durvasa Rishi came and then he just say, I have to go and take bath in the river. He went there, river, taking bath, and Ambarish Maharaj, look, breakfast time over means there is no benefit to observe Ekadashi. Then all the Brahmin scholar was there. He asked them, what I will do? Durvasa Rishi, I invite, when he came, I invite him. He is my invited guest. So what I will do now? The time over, going to be over. Then all the Brahmin scholar, they say, take a durbagas, a holy grass, drip in the Charanamrit, temple Charanamrit, deity Charanamrit, and one drop Charanamrit, put it on the tongue. In that way, it will consider to be your breakfast, because you are keeping dry fast. If you take one drop of Charanamrit, then it will consider to be your breakfast, breaking a fast. He did so according to the order of all the Brahmin scholar. But Durvasa Rishi, maybe intentionally or whatever, he saw that I am invited guest of Ambarish Maharaj, but before feeding me, he ate. He coming with anger face. He take one deadlock from his head and create one demon, Kritta, telling Kritta, hey Kritta, go and kill Ambarish. And Kritta, as soon as he moved towards Ambarish, then Sudarshan Chakra, Lord Sudarshan Chakra coming and cut the Kritta's body. Tum, tum. After that, the chakra ran turning towards Durvasa. Durvasa, to save his body, save his life, is running all over the world. He went to Brahmalok, Brahma. Please tell me what I'll do. Brahma said, I don't know. Better for you to go where chakra coming from. Then to Kailash, Shiva. Shiva also telling the same thing. Go to this. Where the chakra coming from, go there. So Durvasa Rishi went to this Vaikuntha Lok, met with Lord Vishnu, requesting, Prabhu, stop your chakra. Then Prabhu says, Aham Bhakta Paradhina. I am depending on my devotees. Durvasa thinking, I am your devotee. I am your devotee. I am renounced. I am more closer, more dedicated towards you. This Ambarish is not. He is a king. He is materialistic. Then Lord make him understand. Durvasa, listen. When my chakra goes towards you, to save your life, you are moving all over. That means you don't trust me. But when you create Kritta, demonic embodiment, to kill Ambarish, what he does? His folded palm with full of tear, he was standing and praying to me, "O Lord, in my palace, one Vaishnava, one sage, feel offended. Please give me punishment." Completely depending on me. So who is more surrender, you or Ambarish? Who is more surrender? Ambarish. So Ambarish is my dearmost devotee. In this way. So there is my chakra for Ambarish now. If you want to stop my chakra, you have to go and beg pardon, ask forgiveness from Ambarish. Then my chakra will stop. Otherwise, he will always run behind you. So there my question is this. Material wealth is not bad. When we become greedy for material wealth, that is bad. Money is not bad. How we use our money, that is bad. If it is used for our, that's like you earn money and going to bar, what your parent says, good or bad? Definitely bad. My grandparents was very angry. She always, even this after sunset, if I enter to home, he takes stick without any question. With all over. Why you are coming after sunset? In front of our home, village home, there is a big gate. Then guest house. Then our inside home. The guest house door, just in front of the gate, she used to sit. Whiff, choof, choof. There's no question to come back after sunset. You have to come in home before sunset. Whole day she is not disturbing us. You have to come down. So look, that we have to always think about that everything in material world also created by Lord. It is it is good, not bad. But when you attach a greedy to accumulate material wealth, that is bad. Greediness is bad. So, therefore we should think about this. Prabhu tabo pado juge moro nivedana. Whatever is Nakul Prabhu chanted. Nahi magi deho sukho vidya dhono jano. I don't want any physical comfort. I don't want study, education, material academic education for my physical comfort. To what purpose? We have to progress our academic to serve Krishna. पढ़ा लिखा शिखे लोग कृष्ण भक्ति लोभी बारे तजिदनाथ विद्याय की करे. Okay, so our purpose of study to serve Krishna. Purpose of marriage to serve Krishna. Purpose of earn money to serve Krishna. Purpose of conceiving child to serve Krishna. Everything connected with Krishna. This material world belongs to Krishna. when you keep connection in every aspect in the material world, to survive in the material world, that is called Krishna consciousness. That means I'm not telling about, okay, leave everything, renounce your education, renounce your family life, renounce. This is useless idea. Lord wants to see we are respecting our ashram. If we think, okay, only this Krishna is supreme, we can be delivered if we go to Vrindavan and stay in Vrindavan. But you have children, you have family. It's not. Lord will not accept it. Lord will not accept it at all. Raghunath Das Goswami, when he went to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and explained that, Prabhu, pray that, Prabhu, I want to be renounced, I want to get renounced order. Then what Raghunath Das Goswami told by Lord Chaitanya? Lord Chaitanya says, Sthir ho, fix your mind. Ghare jao, back home. Naho batul, don't be naughty. Sthir ho, ghare jao, naho batul. Krome krome paye log bhavo sindhu kul. Gradually we can reach the abode of Supreme Lord. Blissful, peaceful, loving abode of Supreme Lord. Markat vairagya nakara lag dakhaiya. Don't show your renounce as a monkey. Monkey, if you go to Vrindavan, then you can see how much naughty and how much crooked they are. If you just walk in Loi Bajar, Shiva Kunj, with your glass, with your purse, it becomes disappear. Do you have experience about that? Huh? Just go, then you can say, speck is not with you. Parts there, parts is not with you. Monkey holding this. Fruity. One, the cap, they seal there. One second one you give, then they'll leave it this and then catch this. Not one fruity, two fruity nowadays. And they are keeping, they are staying where? Palace? No, under the tree. Eating what? Only fruits. Even if you give them onion garlic, they will not eat. Such a nice food habit. But if you look, their nature like this, such a crooked nature. And keeping lots of wives. So therefore, Lord Chaitanya used this word. Markat means monkey. Markat vairagya nakaralag dakhaiya. Don't show your renounce as a monkey. Jatha jagga vishay bhunjana shakta hoiya. Means whatever your responsibility in your family, you have to do it without attachment. Anashakta, as a duty you have to do. Whatever our duty towards parents, towards husband, towards wife, towards children, towards neighbor, towards relatives, we have to do it accordingly. That is Krishna consciousness. Leave our children alone is not the Krishna consciousness. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaching us such a way. Duty you have to follow. So anyway, Jatha Jagga Vishaya Bhunja Anashaktaya. Anashakta means without attachment. I can give an example. Like a tree, top to bottom have thorn. And if someone telling you, look after the deities, look after the tree, what will do? Embrace the tree? Just dig the land surrounding the tree and offer water. Right? That is your duty to do that, to look after the tree. And instead of that, I am doing so much for him, I have some attachment with him, I have to embrace him. What is going to happen? You will feel comfort, the embrace. Pain. How much tight manner you pain, which embrace, that much pain we will get. So how much attachment we will keep, that much pain we will get. That will do as duty. This family life like this. You have to do your duty. Whatever duty you have with Sumit, you have to do. माने जो धर्म तुम्हारा है तुम करना पड़ेगा, सब निभाने पड़ेगा धर्म को. केवल पत्नी का धर्म निभाना पड़ेगा, पति का धर्म निभाने पड़ेगा. नहीं करोगे तो गड़बड़ होगा. हाँ, तो भगवान actually Supreme Lord like this, he gave example. He gave instruction to Raghunath Das Goswami and showing as an example. You have family, you have to go back. You have to do it. Properly follow your dharma. And then, and it says, Antara nishtha karo bajhi loko vyavaharo. Whatever behavior is supposed to keep with all, surrounding all, you have to do it. And keep firm faith on you. But firm faith on me. Antara nishtha. Keep firm faith in me. And whatever duties, whatever behavior, bajhe lokova, outside you have to keep. That you have to keep accordingly. Don't be fanatic. Then say, Achirat Krishna tomaya karibin uddhara. Suddenly Krishna will deliver you. Don't worry. That instruction given by Lord Chaitanya to Raghunath Das Goswami. That is our path. Ambarish Maharaj, perfect example. He is a king, but he was beyond of Durvasa Rishi. So Durvasa Rishi come back to Ambarish Maharaj and beg pardon. Ambarish Maharaj, look, still Ambarish, and Durvasa Rishi, look, still Ambarish standing in the same place and crying and lamenting. In my palace, one sage feel offended. Oh Lord, give me punishment. And Durvasa is to come back and beg pardon, ask forgiveness, then Chakra go back. So question is this, which ashram you are? That is not question. Question is how much surrender, how much service mood we have. That is called our spiritual practice. So therefore we should think about it. 7:30. 7:25. Okay, so anyway, so he started very nice song. Actually I was thinking to explain that meaning, deeper meaning of the song. But anyway, it needs a lot of time, 1 or 2 days. So Prabhu tavo pada juge moro nivedana. Nahi magi deho sukho, vidya dhano jana. I don't want popularity, I don't want wealth, I don't want nahi vidya, I don't want academic. What I want? Nahi magi saragar. I don't want to be karmi. Karmi, they want sarga, heavenly comfortable life. Moksha nahi magi. I don't want liberation. Whatever liberation we want, I want to be God. Same form of Lord. Merge with the Lord and become God. Same abode of Lord. Samippo. Shalokos. I want to stay near to Lord. Samippo. Same abode of Lord. Shalokko. I want to get opulence like Lord. Lord's opulence. Sashti. I don't want. What I want? Nahi magi saragoar, moksha nahi magi, na kori partho na kono, vibhutiro na. I don't want to any mystical power. If someone come here and say, come with me only one day, I will give you such mystical power, you can sit in the fire flame to show people. Even if you just think in a mind, you need one apple, apple will come to your hand. If you need one pizza, right? Pizza will come to your hand. Pasta will come to your hand. If people coming to us, to me, and if I do and giving this, according to the desire, what is going to happen? Just to say, Bageshwar Baba, he's famous now. Why? Mystical power. People are thinking that he's a God. But our lineage says, I don't want. I don't want these things. What I want? Nijo karma guno doshe je janam papai. Whatever, according to karma, whatever birth you want to give me, doesn't matter. But always engage me to your services. Why? Because this is our identity. We are eternal servant of Supreme Lord. This is our identity. This is the purpose. We have to get initiation. We have to engage us to serve Lord. No matter which ashram you are. Matter is this, your focus, your mind, where you fixing it. Our mind should fix towards Lord's services and His devotee services. Mind should be always free from all the material attachment. When you fix mind towards Lord and free from all material attachment, then after leaving your body, so your spirit will go to the spiritual abode. A spiritual abode is what? Distressful or blissful? Temporarily blissful or eternally? Eternally blissful. We want to be eternally blissful or not? Huh? Yes or no? Who wants to be eternally blissful? Show me your hand. So, you don't want? Huh? আপনি কি নিত্য আনন্দ পেতে চান না সাময়িক আনন্দ পেতে চান কোনটা? অল টাইম। আচ্ছা, অল টাইম আনন্দ। তো this, because we are belongs to the eternally blissful embodiment. That Mahaprabhu, Supreme Lord Krishna explained to Brahma, जथा महांति भूतानि भूतेषु चर्वचष्मनो प्रविष्टन्न प्रविष्टानि तथा तेषु न तवश्यम. Living beings coming from me, they will back to me. They know other destination. Lord also explained that janti devabrota devan pitri janti pitribrata bhutani janti bhutejja madjajimame pimam. If you worship God and goddesses, you can reach to the Devalok, Sargolok, heaven. If you worship an ancestor, if you go to Pitrilok, Bhuvalok. If you worship Bhut, and all the ghost, ghost lok, Bhut lok. And if you worship me, it will come back to me. It's a very simple theory. So therefore, what is supposed to worship? Tasmin tushta jagat trustam. If anyone say there's a big banyan tree, so many branches, so many leaves, and if someone say feed this banyan tree, what will do? Climb up the tree with the water and put water on the every leaves, branches. What will put? Root. Mule dao jal shakha palla bere bal. Similarly, Tashmin tushte, we have to please Lord. A Lord expansion, all the living beings. All the living beings, Brahma, Lord expansion. Vishnu, Lord expansion. Shiva, Lord expansion. All you are Lord expansion. God and goddesses, the Lord expansion. Everybody become happy. And if you have love for God, you cannot ignore anyone. You will look everyone, tiny existence of Supreme Lord. How can I ignore others? Am I clear? So therefore, Krishna consciousness means establish loving connection with Lord. Then automatically we can be connected with all living beings. Kindness for all living beings. Forgiveness for all living beings. We can keep tolerance, many things. People may use slang language to us. We should not use slang language because you know what is our relation, actual relation. Such things. Kindness to all. Forgiveness to all. Tolerance. An extreme tolerance you have to give. And chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Then we can get all the quality of spiritual practice. All these qualities of spiritual practice will appear, spontaneously reveal in your heart. Like Nandini, yesterday I saw in our home, I went there. After your home, I went to the home. So many devotees are coming, as with big smiling face, loving ways, he greet all of them, feeding them, see of them. Everybody left their home with happy mood. Looks like Lord jumped to our heart and showing such extreme tolerance. When you went to this Premlata's house, Premamai's house, then I saw the same thing. She came with me, husband and wife both came to take photo. See of me with photo. Greet. I asked her, do you eat anything? I said, no. I said, go for eating. I said, no. Oh, ठीक हो जाएगा. such happiness to greet will appear for all living beings when you have love for God. Lord say, if you love me, love my dog first. Who is the dog of Lord? All we are. So anyway, so late now, we become late now because we came, all of you came late. I also came late, 5 o'clock. And I have some also ritual ceremony now. So I have to do it. And please honor prasadam. And also tomorrow is office, right? Tomorrow all office open. Tomorrow. I also engage her. It's holiday time. But she has such a tolerance. She never feel bad, right? I feel to see her action, I feel she become happy to engage. I engage her to repair my teeth. She's a dentist. I was thinking, all of a sudden, as soon as I reach Melbourne, Malini gave me prasadam, fruits I just bite, and then I saw one piece of teeth fallen. Not whole teeth, one piece, tiny piece. I thought maybe it is stone. And I said, this is not stone, it's teeth. When I put the tongue, there's a hole. So anyway, so I think you understand our main purpose of spiritual practice to keeping proper equilibrium, proper balance between our material duties and practice. And gradually establish kindness for all living beings, forgiveness in every aspect. Not, oh, you are doing so, I am keeping an intense relation with you. No. Always be friendship, keep friendship, amicable relation with everyone. Then you can see Lord with you. Lord give you strength to follow this. Hare Krishna. I think the chant Muhammad. Ladu. Muhammad. Only Muhammad.
So, he has your finger. Yeah, it's okay. You just get playing and playing. You just watching it bleed.
You just said that. You got blood on that. Yeah.
Me?
How old?